Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the outdoor haven of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're tackling one of the most transformative elements in landscape design, the backyard garden with a pergola. If you've ever wanted an outdoor room that offers shade, style, and a stunning vertical garden, this video is for you. We're going to cover everything from the meaning and benefits of a pergola garden to the best plants and decorating tips to make it truly magnificent. Get ready to turn your simple backyard into an elegant, functional extension of your home. A pergola, at its core, is an outdoor garden feature forming a shaded walkway, passageway, or seating area of vertical posts or pillars that usually support a framework of crossbeams and a sturdy open lattice. It is distinctly different from a gazebo, which has a solid roof and is usually octagonal. When we talk about a backyard garden with a pergola, we are describing the purposeful integration of this architectural structure with living garden elements. It's more than just a wooden frame. It's a design concept where the structure and the garden work in harmony. The structure provides necessary support for climbing plants to create a living canopy, transforming a simple patio or deck into a defined, shaded outdoor room. It's a space where architecture and horticulture meet to elevate the outdoor living experience, offering a defined area for relaxation, dining, or entertaining, all while being beautifully enveloped by nature. The benefits of incorporating a pergola into your backyard garden are numerous, extending far beyond simple aesthetics. Firstly, it provides essential customizable shade. The open slatted roof provides dappled light, which is softer and more pleasant than full sun. And with the addition of climbing vines or a retractable canopy, you can create a dense, cool, and inviting retreat from the harsh midday sun. Secondly, a pergola dramatically defines and zones your outdoor space. It gives structure to an otherwise open yard, effectively creating an outdoor room that separates the entertaining area from the rest of the garden, making your landscape feel more intentional and cohesive. Thirdly, it offers incredible vertical gardening opportunities. The posts and beams are a blank canvas for climbing plants, allowing you to incorporate beautiful scents and textures at eye level, maximizing your garden's footprint. Finally, it significantly increases your property's value and aesthetic appeal. A well-designed pergola is a high-demand architectural feature that is seen as a major upgrade, appealing to future buyers by showcasing a high-end, functional outdoor living area. It's an investment in both your quality of life and your home's financial value. Decorating your pergola is what transforms a simple structure into a stunning focal point. Start with furnishings that are appropriate for the scale of your pergola and designed for outdoor use. Choose comfortable, all-weather seating like deep cushioned rattan or sleek, modern aluminum. Anchor the space with a durable, outdoor safe rug to add texture, color, and define the seating arrangement. Next, focus on lighting, which is crucial for evening ambience. Wrap string lights or fairy lights around the beams for a magical, festive glow. You can also hang lanterns or pendant lights from the central crossbeams for a more refined look. Textiles are your secret weapon for comfort and color add. Plenty of throw pillows and a few cozy blankets to soften the space. Finally, integrate decorative elements like outdoor mirrors to reflect light and greenery, or a stunning water feature nearby to add a peaceful auditory element. The goal is to make the space feel as finished and inviting as an interior living room. Using weatherproof materials, choosing the right plants is arguably the most important step, as they are the lifeblood of your pergola garden. You need vigorous, attractive climbers that can handle the vertical journey. For shade and fast coverage, consider wisteria or grapevines. Wisteria offers spectacular cascades of fragrant flowers in spring, but requires strong support and regular pruning. Grapevines provide lush, large leaves for dense shade and the bonus of fruit. For fragrance, you can't beat climbing roses or jasmine. Star jasmine is evergreen in many climates and releases an intoxicating scent in the evenings, while a rambling rose can provide a beautiful, romantic and colorful display across the beams. For easy maintenance, look at clematis or trumpet vine. Clematis comes in a vast range of colors and generally requires less aggressive pruning than wisteria. Remember to incorporate potted plants at the base of the pergola and around the perimeter. Large potted ferns, boxwoods, or vibrant annuals not only add color but visually connect the pergola to the ground-level garden beds. Completing the unified look. Always ensure your chosen plants are suitable for your local climate zone. We've seen the how-to, now let's look at the wow. Here are the top 10 backyard garden with pergola ideas inspired to spark your own design creativity. 1. English garden gazebo with lattice privacy. A charming, intimate garden structure featuring a diamond lattice screen wall that offers excellent privacy while still allowing light and air to pass through. The dark-stained wood provides a lovely contrast to the cheerful, overflowing floral hanging baskets, bringing vertical color to the space. The small iron bistro set and gravel base create a perfect, secluded spot for morning coffee or afternoon tea. 2. Rustic elegance, stone fireplace, pergola retreat. This luxurious pergola features imposing stone columns and a substantial built-in outdoor fireplace, transforming the space into a true outdoor living room. The stacked stone wall provides definition and contrast to the soft, neutral outdoor sectional, all set against a beautiful backdrop of mature woodland trees. This design is perfect for homeowners who prioritize four-season outdoor use and a high-end, classic aesthetic. 3. Contemporary minimalist pergola over a modern patio. This sleek, low-profile pergola utilizes a black metal or painted wood structure, providing a bold, modern contrast against the bright white walls and vibrant green lawn. The space beneath is dedicated to chic, low-profile modular seating with pops of color from throw pillows. The surrounding landscape uses simple, textural plants and a mix of gravel and paving for a clean, minimalist design aesthetic. 4. Cozy corner pergola with living privacy wall. A brilliant idea for a secluded corner. This design features a slatted wall that functions as both a privacy screen and a support for a vertical garden of lush trailing plants. The built-in wooden L-shaped bench is customized for the space, offering maximum seating with deep, comfortable cushions. The use of mulch, gravel ground cover, and surrounding flowers creates a natural, intimate, and bohemian retreat. 5. Edible garden pergola on a small urban deck. This compact, attached pergola is a masterclass in maximizing a small space. It provides shade over a wooden deck with a simple wooden bench and chairs. Crucially, the foreground features raised garden beds brimming with colorful flowers and edible plants like lettuce and kale, showcasing how a pergola can seamlessly integrate a productive garden with a relaxing seating area. 6. Arched pergola oasis with outdoor kitchen and hearth, featuring a beautiful curved wooden roof structure. This pergola creates an airy, expansive feel over a circular brick-paved patio. The space is fully outfitted for entertaining with a central stone fireplace and a built-in grilling or bar area to the side. The cozy rattan seating and vibrant potted plants make this area feel like a fully functional, resort-style outdoor lounge. 7. Modern farmhouse pergola with illuminated steps. This attached pergola uses thick, dark-stained wood beams, creating a striking contrast against the white farmhouse exterior. The structure sits atop a wide, multi-tiered stone patio with subtle, integrated lighting along the large steps, ensuring a safe and dramatic entrance. The design blends modern lines with traditional materials for a sophisticated, transitional look ideal for seamless indoor-outdoor flow. 8. Opulent poolside retreat with vined pergola. This expansive, long pergola, painted a soft, light green, is situated next to a sprawling pool and framed by tall, manicured cypress trees. The structure is already being embraced by climbing vines, offering beautiful dappled shade over multiple zones of luxurious woven outdoor furniture. This design epitomizes a grand, comfortable, and resort-like outdoor experience. 9. Effortless, rustic charm. Freestanding landscape pergola. Set in a natural, tree-filled landscape this simple. Freestanding black pergola frame acts as a strong architectural anchor for the entire garden. It sits over a long rustic wooden table, transforming a simple gravel area into a charming alfresco dining spot. The surrounding low-lying shrubs and lavender add texture and fragrance, emphasizing a peaceful, natural garden feel. 10. Functional dining pergola for seamless outdoor entertaining. A clean, modern, and highly functional design. This wooden pergola creates a defined cover for a large outdoor dining and grilling area right off the back of the house. The simple, linear structure, anchored by robust posts, offers a contemporary look and is perfect for shading family meals. The dark paving stones and perimeter plantings of yellow flowers keep the look neat and manicured. The backyard garden with a pergola is more than just a trend, it's a timeless design choice that elevates your lifestyle. It offers the perfect marriage of structure and nature, providing shade, defining your space, and giving you an incredible opportunity for vertical gardening. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your own backyard and see the potential for a beautiful new outdoor room. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of stone and wood or the clean lines of a modern design, a pergola is an investment that you will enjoy for years to come. If you found this guide helpful in planning your dream outdoor space, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips on making your garden gorgeous. We want to hear from you. Which of the 10 pergola ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to share this video with anyone who needs a little outdoor inspiration. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.